Hi with everyone. My name is Arena Coro Ortega and this is my oral presentation. I am going to talk about oral health and the importance of baby teeth. When we talk about oral health, we need to cover all preventive methods to avoid any problem. The focus of this goes for both children and adults. Prevention methods include prophylaxis, sealant, the correct way of brushing teeth, and the knowledge of the causes of dental disease. As we all know, the first teeth to appear are the baby teeth, which after some time change into a permanent teeth. But knowing that teeth have a replacement in many occasions is often a problem because parents do not worry when there is a dental problem in the hope that this will change over time. However, they do not take into account that the teeth underneath can be affected by an infection of the baby tooth. The most common problem observed in children is dental cavity, which affects both children and adults. It is caused by the spread of bacteria, which adhere to the tooth and have a deficiency of cleanliness. And these bacteria feed on carbohydrates and sugars that are on the tooth and creating a cavity. When this is created, as there is a propagation of bacteria, this can cause a larger infection. So the only option is distract the tooth. Um, However, when the tooth is removed prematurely, a space maintainer should be placed so that the tooth that is growing underneath has space to be born. When there are larger infections, this will not only affect the baby teeth, so the permanent teeth will have to be extracted as well. And that is why it is important to let everyone know that the baby teeth should also be taken care of to avoid future problems. Therefore, it is recommended to visit the dentist periodically, brushing properly, avoiding the consumption of sugar and carbohydrates, and control brushing when the child learns to do it alone. And thanks, that's everything.